back to the channel, welcome back to the show. And today's salad is so simple that I can't even do like a cutaway with music and some b-roll stuff. You literally are going to, and I'm just going to go through it now, is you're going to take the kale, you're going to give it a bit of a massage with some olive oil. Apparently that's a good way to like soften it up. Give it a massage with some olive oil. You're going to pop on some dried apricots, pop on some tomatoes, fresh cut tomatoes, some jalapeno chilies, and that's optional if you don't want some heat. It's not so hot though. And then just add on some mint. So this works because of the sweetness in the apricots. Obviously the mint flavor is just wonderful with that flavor as well. And then the strongness of the kale and some heat in the chili. Anyway, okay, and that is it. That's all you got to do. This is the last day of salad for this week. Tomorrow's cheat day, but I think we're doing, it's the end of lockdown, so we are not even doing a cheat day meal. We're ordering out a cheat day meal, which I'm very excited for. And I will see you on Sunday for some more salads. If it's not Sunday today, then I'll see you tomorrow for some more salads. Cheers.
Mm-hmm.